guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Esther. I got some new hair today. As you can tell, I did it myself. This is like my first time doing box braids on me. So it's kind of like a burgundy color. And I was like, this literally took me like 7 hours. It does not look like it, but it did. Anyways, so today I'm going to be talking about my eyelashes. I'm going to be applying them myself. So basically, I've done my lashes before in the past, but I've used Ardell's Lash Trio, which I will link a picture right now. But yeah, I used Ardell's Lash Trio. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. So it was like pretty cheap. It was like, I think around $5 to $8, so it wasn't like a horrible price. But I've always wanted to try individual lashes myself. So yeah, I've got these D-curl lashes from Amazon. I think I got it for like, I think $14, but I'll be linking it down below so you guys know exactly how much I got it for. And I also got Ardell lash glue. It's pretty small. Like when I looked it up on Amazon for the best like eyelash glue, it was like bigger than it was in person. Bigger in the picture than it was in person. Yes. But yeah, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Hopefully it doesn't. I think it'll sting my eye, but if you properly know how to put it on and you have a fan, it won't sting your eye as bad. So yeah, let's get into this, guys. Oh, but yeah, since I don't have any strip of tape that I can put underneath, like the tape that you can use for your eyelashes, I just have a regular tape. You gotta use what you got. You gotta use what you got, because the girl is low-key struggling, but we're in this together, friends. So I'm basically going to tape it underneath, right? Oh, and make sure your bottom lashes aren't showing. Okay, now that I look like an alien. Oh, fuck! This is low-key uncomfortable because I don't have the correct eyelash tape, but you know what? It's okay. This is kind of like poking my eye. And like before in the past, I've never used tape. I've just always went in and put the lashes down myself. So this is a work in progress, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna have it like that and tie my hair up, and then I will show you a few strands of D curls. The longest I'm gonna go for is 15 millimeters. Is the shortest one, yeah, the shortest one on here is like 8 millimeters. You can see, yeah, so it's from 8 and then all the way to 15. So I think that's really nice. And I want my lashes to have like kind of like a cat look, not really like a doll look, because I'm not really like flashy when it comes to my lashes. So yeah, when I
already grasped.
Let me tell y'all a little bit more about the D-curl lashes that I have. D-curl is like an extra amount of curl that accentuates your eyes. Since I kind of have big eyes, I think, with these long lashes, it just will make my eyes look better. So that's why I want them. And like the most curliest, well, the least curliest to the most curliest starts from C, and then CC, and then D curl, and then double D curls. So in that range, if you want something super curly. I'm literally putting this behind the lashes that these are from Amazon as well. Everything I get is literally from Amazon. But I'm gonna be putting my glue right in here. Don't put a lot. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. I have a fan right here. because just in case the fumes are hurting my eyes or burning them a little bit, the fan will help it dry basically. So yeah, make sure you have a fan, a big one, a small one, a mini fan. Some videos that I've watched, they had like mini fans. So yeah, it's all up to you and what you got. So hey guys, I'm back after like an hour of doing my lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how it looks up close. Yeah. So I've just been isolating, and make sure you guys have like the right tools when you're doing your lashes, because especially with individual lashes, when you're putting them on, it's really tough to isolate when you don't have like the right I'll link it down below what the hell it's called, but I isolate with this and it's a little bit hard. And then I have this, but I'm not using it. And then I use this applicator to just put it on. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward me putting it on for you guys, so I won't be here forever. So this is my first time. This is not a tutorial at all on how to do your lashes, but yeah, thanks guys. Hey y'all, I just wanted to stop in really fast and say I took off my tape underneath my eyes because it was literally irritating me, and I was using Scotch tape. So I guess don't use Scotch because it's gonna ride up right in your eyes, so not a good idea. But I still managed to install my lashes without the tape. So yeah, I would advise you to use tape for your lower lashes, so it's beneficial, so just in case they stick together. But okay guys, I'm finally back after literally like 2 hours of doing my lashes. I honestly really like how they look. It's not too much or too little. It's honestly just how I like them, and I didn't spend any money, so I'm proud of myself. But yeah, this took like 2 hours. It wasn't too bad. Just make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting me, especially my #1 supporters. Thank you, friends. All of you guys are my friends, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.